In this video, you will learn how to make lasagna sheets, pasta, and macaroni using ingredients commonly found at home. The homemade version tastes much better than store-bought. We will also make colorful pasta without artificial colors in just 10 minutes. Let me give you 4 tips for a successful recipe on the first try. First tip is about ingredients. For every 100 grams of flour, use 1 egg. Eggs improve the texture of the dough, add a distinctive flavor, and increase the nutritional value of the pasta or lasagna. Here I weighed 150 grams of wheat flour and placed it on the surface. I also weighed 50 grams of semolina, along with a bit of salt. So the total is 200 grams, meaning we will add 2 eggs. I will mix the flour well with the semolina and salt, then make a well and add the eggs. I will mix everything well, then start kneading. Second tip is about kneading. Pasta dough should be dry, and we only add a very small amount of water. Keep kneading without adding much water to maintain its consistency. Third tip is to roll out the dough very thinly until it's almost transparent. Fourth tip is to measure the dimensions of the baking dish. This is one of the best advantages of making lasagna sheets at home. We can roll out a sheet to fit the baking dish perfectly, without sticking or cracking already made sheets. I will make the quantity I want in the same way, and of course we will start with more flour. 150 grams of wheat flour, 50 grams of semolina flour, 2 eggs. Let's try now. The measurements on the tray, just as it should be. Now we will let the sheet dry out. We won't add the ingredients for the lasagna tray like bechamel, cheese, minced meat until the sheet is completely dry as if it's toasted. Enjoy your meal! Now let's try making colorful pasta, especially if it's a bright red color like this. The method couldn't be easier. I will use semolina flour only without mixing wheat flour and add beet juice gradually until the dough comes together. After kneading for about 10 minutes, let it rest for half an hour. Then roll it out thinly as before. Start by cutting equal squares. Use a ruler rather than eyeballing it. Then simply fold and press firmly in the middle, like you see on the right side of the screen, to make the shape of the ball. We can also fill this square with cheese or minced meat and seal it. For the second shape, we will make penny pasta using cylindrical objects to shape the dough. Simply put a pencil on the squared piece and then roll carefully and finally press. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be happy to answer any comments or questions you may have. Boil the pasta in salted water for about 5 minutes, ensuring it is properly dried before cooking. See how it retains its shape and color after boiling. Beautiful and very delicious.